Welcome to the notes for Monday for Honors Geometry with Mr. Levine. I'm so glad you're watching this video, and I'm going to tell you what you need to write down, but for now just listen. For all of Chapter 3, we're going to watch videos for homework. The reason for this is so you can have the entire class period to do the constructions of angles and lines that we will be learning about. We're going to be doing constructions of perpendicular bisectors, angle bisectors, parallel lines, how to construct parallel lines, finding incenters, and all this stuff really works well with constructions. And this, watching videos as your homework, gives us the whole class period to do activities and the constructions we need to best understand the chapter, while allowing you to watch the videos at your pace. It also allows you to re-watch the videos if you didn't learn something or you need to see something again, or if you just want to study for a quiz or test. You get to do all those things at your pace, which is why this is going to be perfect for this chapter. Make sure that you do watch the videos. It's very important, because if you don't, then you're going to have to watch the video in class, because every video will have a thing for you to write down. I will tell you what to write down. It will not be a question that you might understand. I will give you the answers, but you will have to turn that into me, and if you don't, like I said, you have to watch the videos in class while the rest of the class starts the activities, and that's how you might fall behind and actually have homework besides the video to do at home. But for those that watch the videos, it's going to make it easier for you to learn Chapter 3. So here are the notes that you need to write down. The first thing I want you to do is to draw something in the bottom right corner that takes you 30 seconds or less to draw. Now, don't be upset if your drawing isn't as good as mine. I'm a pretty good drawer, and it might be tough to have a drawing quite as good as mine, but just draw something that takes 30 seconds or less. As you can see, you might not have a drawing as good as mine in the right corner. Mine is of a panda. Yours can be of anything. And it's pretty impressive that it only takes me 30 seconds to draw this. And again, don't be offended if yours is not as good. Now, in the top right corner, I want you to write your name. Most of us forget to write our names on papers every once in a while. This allows you to make sure I know that you turned it in. In the top part of your page, I want you to write a joke or a riddle. And like the drawing, it should take 30 seconds or less. My riddle is, what do pandas have that nothing else does? And while you think about it, I'm sure you will get it. You are all geniuses. The answer is baby pandas. That is what pandas have that nothing else does. Now please stop your laughter, get yourself together, and draw and write your least favorite dance in the top left corner. Now you can do this dance, but since it's your least favorite, you might want to do a different dance. I'm doing my favorite dance right now. It's a shame you cannot see it. The last thing I want in your notes that you're going to turn into me is write your favorite food, big in the middle of the paper. This sheet is what you will turn into me. I'm glad you watched the video. I look forward to seeing all of you on Monday, and I hope you had a great weekend.